Hi, I'm Diana. I'm a makeup artist based in LA, and today I'm going to introduce you to Stila's 2021 summer collection, Colorful Awakening. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the Stay All Day Smudge Stick in Shade. Now that I've finished the other eye, I'm going to take the Camouflage Beauty Palette, use the shade Warrior on a small fluffy brush. I'm going to take this beautiful shade Victory from the Camo palette, and I'm going to apply it to this part of my lid that we kept bare. And now it is time for mascara, one of my favorite parts of makeup. This is Stila's Stay All Day. I need to add a little color to my face, so I'm going to use Stila's new Putty Bronzer Duo in the shade Gladolia. It has macadamia oil in it, which really makes it incredibly moisturizing and just glide onto the skin. Now I'm going to add a little bit of lip gloss. This is Stila's Plumping Lip Glaze in the shade Prosecco. And this is the final look using Stila's Colorful Awakening Summer 21 collection. I had so much fun